How to maintain the newness of the exterior wall. How to feed back to nature with fresh air. What can we do to improve the construction material to a higher level for human and city? 3TREES is looking for the answer persistently. During the past years, 3TREES has worked out the difficulty of the application of photocatalysis technology in the construction material. Finally, we successfully launched a high-tech and eco-friendly product, Photocatalysis self-cleaning finish varnish, which has the ability of self-cleaning and anti-depigmentation. The newly added functional material can improve the resistance against UV ultraviolet, which leads to better ability of anti-depigmentation and anti-weathering, hence longer operational lifespan. The functional material improves the hydrophilicity of the coating surface, and the water captured by the surface from the air can form a thin layer which restrains the formation of electrostatic effect. The main reason of the pollution of the coating surface is the electrostatic attraction between the surface and the dirt particles in the air. The added material can decrease such attraction, and the attached dirt can be easily washed away by rain, left the wall with no stain. This is how the self-cleaning function is achieved. We compared the stain-resistant performance among normal top coat, self-cleaning finish varnish, and blank sample. Brush standard mortar on the testing samples. Rapidly dry it and then flush it with water. You can see the sample, which was brushed with self-cleaning finish varnish, is bright and clean as new. In the outdoor exposure test, self-cleaning product shows excellent performances on weather resistance, color retention, and stain resistance. These samples have been exposed in the outdoors for 1 year. The ones applied with the self-cleaning finish varnish product have obviously better performances in dirt resistance and color retention compared to the others. Photocatalysis self-cleaning finish varnish can be widely used on various building walls. It can maintain the newness of the coating surface, lengthen the service span of the wall, and reduce the cost of the refurbishment. It is becoming the best environmental protection material for building designers. 3TREES takes wisdom from nature and feedback to nature at the same time. The Photocatalysis self-cleaning finish varnish shows our determination to restore the beauty of building, to free the human breathing, and to reappear the blue sky. 3TREES, healthy families.